Dear students, welcome to Khan Kingdom Smart Education online classes. Our chapter number 3, Understanding Quadrilaterals, exercise 3.2. Question number first. Find x in the following figures. Find the value of x. The first figure is, this is a triangle. X 125, 125. These are angles are outside of that triangle. So these angles called exterior angles. The exterior angles are x 125, 125. Sum of the exterior angles in any polygon is equal to 360 degree. We know that sum of exterior angle is equal to 360. So x plus 125 plus 125 is equal to 360 degree. X plus 125, 125, 250 is equal to 360. Now transposing 360, 250 transpose to right hand side. This is positive value. By transposing, this will be negative. So x is equal to 110 degree. The value of x is equal to 110. This is a triangle. X 125, 125 outside angle called exterior angle. The sum of exterior angles are 360 degree in any polygon. The exterior angle sum is fixed 360 degree. So x plus 125 plus 125 is equal to 360 degree. 125, 125, 250. When we transposing, this will be negative. So x is equal to 110. In this diagram, here is x. There is a symbol. This symbol called the angle is 90, 60. Then this will be 90 and 70. The exterior angle sum. We know that sum of exterior angles is 360. So x plus 90 plus 60 plus 90 plus 70 is equal to 360. X plus 90, 90, 180, 180 plus 60, 240, 240 plus 70, 310. 310 is equal to 360. So x is equal to 360. Now we transpose this. Minus 310. Answer is 50. The x is 50. Sum of all exterior angle in polygon is 360 degree. So x plus 90 plus 60 plus 90 plus 70 is equal to 360 degree. 90, 60, 150, 150 plus 90, 240, 240 plus 70, 310. So this is our 310. X plus 310 is equal to 360. Now we transpose. This will be negative. The answer is 50. You can take a screenshot of this. We will move to our next question. Now our next question is, find the measure of each exterior angle of a regular polygon. First of all, regular polygon. A Regular polygon having equal sides and equal angle, equal interior angle. If this is a triangle, if three sides are equal, then these three angles are also equal. These angles are also equal. Then I draw exterior angle by this. If three angles are equal, then this is 60, 60, 60, total 180 degree in a triangle. Find the value of exterior angle. This is 60, linear pair angle, by linear pair angle this is 180, so 180 minus 60, 120. 60 plus 120, 180 linear pair angle. This is also 120, this is also 120. The exterior angles are also same. If we draw three sides, then three internal angle, three external angle. The external angles is also 3. In a regular triangle, the exterior angles is also same. So if we having 9 sides, so there are 9 equal exterior angle. Question number first. In a regular polygon, there are equal exterior angles. Let assume value of each exterior angle is equal to x degree. So there are 9 sides, means 9x degree. Sum of these are 9x degree. Sum of exterior angles in polygon is equal to 360. There are 9 sides, so the angles are 9x is equal to 360. X is equal to 360 divided by 9. X is equal to 9 4 4 and 0. X is equal to 40 degree. Now question number second, 15 side. In a regular polygon, there are equal exterior angles. Let assume value of each exterior angle is x degree. Sum of exterior angles in polygon is equal to 360 degree. There are 15 side, means 15 exterior angle, each is x. So 15x is equal to 360. X is equal to 360 divided by 15. X is equal to 15 2s and 4s, 24. The value of exterior angle is 24. Value of exterior angle. Value of exterior angle. Now let's take beginning from this question. Find the measure of each exterior angle of a regular polygon. Regular polygon having equal sides and equal angle. For example, this is a triangle which is regular, means three sides of this is equal, three angles are also equal. Then in equilateral triangle we know that the angle is 60 degree, so this is 60. Now we draw exterior angle by draw a line. Okay, these are the exterior angle. By linear pair angle, some of these angle is 180, one is 60, then another is 120, 120 and 120. Then exterior angle are 120, 120, 120. There are three sides, three interior angle and three exterior angle. Three sides, then three exterior angle. If the three sides are equal, then three exterior angle are also equal. Now in this question, first part is 9 side. In a regular polygon there are equal exterior angles. Let's assume the exterior angle is x. We know that sum of exterior angle of polygon is 360. Any type of polygon, the exterior angle sum is 360 degree. There are 9 sides, so 9 angle each is x, so total is 9x. 9x is equal to 360, x is equal to 360 by 9. The value of exterior angle is 40. In second, there are 15 sides. In a regular polygon there are equal exterior angle. Assume the value of exterior angle is x. We know that sum of exterior angle is 360. There are 15 sides, one angle is x, so total is 15x is equal to 360. Now we will divide by 15. Answer is 24. The value of exterior angle is 24. You can take a screenshot of this. We will move to our next question. Now our next question is question number 3. How many sides does a regular polygon, equal sides, equal interior angle, equal exterior angle, all the angles of polygon are equal. How many sides does a regular polygon have if measure of an exterior angle is 24? Sum of all exterior angles in polygon is equal to 360 degree. Given measure of exterior angle is 24. Number of exterior angles is 360 divided by 24. 360 divided by 24. We can cut by 12. 3 times 0, 12. 2 times is equal to 15. Dividing by 12. We will divide by 12 both. 12 3 ja 36, 12 2 ja 24, and 30 divided by 2 is 15. So number of exterior angle is 15. The angle and side, number of angle and number of sides are equal. So number of sides of polygon is equal to 15. The number of side is 15. Now question number 4. How many sides does the regular polygon have if each of its interior angle, this question on exterior angle, this question of interior angle and exterior angle are linear pair angle. So sum of linear pair angle is 180. So we can find the exterior angle value by 180 minus 165. Value of exterior angle is 180 minus 165 is equal to 15. The exterior value having 15 degree. Sum of all exterior angles is 360 degree. So number of sides is 360 divided by 15, 2 times and 4 times. So number of sides is 24. The number of angle and number of sides are equal. The number of sides is 24. Now take beginning from this question. Question number 3. How many sides that does the regular polygon have if the measure of exterior angle is 24? If one angle is 24, sum is 360, so number of angle is 360 by 24. We can cut each other by 12. 12 3s and 0, 12 2s, 30 upon 2 is 15. So number of side of polygon is 15. Number of angle and number of sides will be equal. So number of angle is 15, number of side is 15. In next question, question number 4, how many sides does the regular polygon have if each of its interior angle is 165? If this is a triangle, this is our exterior angle, this is our interior, this is interior and this is exterior. So interior and exterior are linear pair angle. Linear pair angle definition is sum of these are 180 degree. So another angle will be 180 minus. So exterior angle value is 180 minus interior. Interior is 165. Answer is 15. Now sum of all exterior angle is 360. Number of side is equal to 360 by 15. Answer is 24. You can take a screenshot of this. We will move to our next question. Now our next question is question number 5, part A. Is it possible to have regular polygon with measure of each exterior angle as 22? Answer. Part A. Given exterior angle of regular polygon is equal to 22, sum of all exterior angles is 360. So number of sides is equal to 360 divided by 12. We can cut by 2. 180 divided by 2 is 11. Now we will divide 180 by 11. 1 time 7 and 0, 6 time 6 6, 4 point, then 0, 3 time 7 0, 6 time, so this will be 16.36. If number of sides are 16, then right, number of side is 17 is right, but we cannot draw a polygon with 16.36 sides. So 22 is not divisor of 360, so we cannot draw a regular polygon having exterior angle 22. So by exterior angle 22 we cannot draw a regular polygon. Now in B part, can it be a interior angle? Given interior angle of regular polygon is equal to 22. Can it be interior angle of a regular polygon? So let us assume this is our interior angle. So value of exterior angle is 180 minus 22 is equal to 158 degree. So value of exterior angle is 150 because interior and exterior angles are linear pair angle. The sum of linear pair angle is 180. First is 22, then second is 158. The sum of these are 0, 8, 1. So these are the linear pair angles. Now the value of exterior angle is 158. Sum of all exterior angle is 360 degree. So number of sides is 360 upon 158. We will cut by 2. 180 7 times, 9 times. Double of 90 is 180, not 79. So this is not a divisor of 180. So 158 is not a divisor of 360. So we cannot draw a regular polygon having interior angle 22. Let's take beginning from this question. Question number 5. First part, is it possible to have regular polygon with measure of each exterior angle is 22? Given that the value of exterior angle is 22, we know that sum of exterior angle is 360. So number of sides is 360 by 22. We get 16.36. We can draw a regular polygon with 16 sides or 17 sides, but a regular polygon cannot draw using 16.36 sides. The sides will be a integer number. The side will be in a integer number, not in a decimal number. So this decimal number cannot draw a polygon. So 22 not a divisor of 360. So we cannot draw a regular polygon having exterior angle 22. Now second B part, can it be a interior angle? Can it be? It be means 22. Can 22 is a anterior angle of the regular polygon. Given that interior angle of regular polygon is 22, the value of exterior angle, interior angle and exterior angle are linear pair angles, so exterior angle will be 180 minus interior. So 180 minus 22 is equal to 158. We know that sum of all exterior angle is 360, number of side is equal to 360, exterior angle is 158. We will divide by 2, 180 and 79. 79 cannot divide 180 in integer number. So 158 is not divisor of 360, so we cannot draw a regular polygon having interior angle 22. You can take a screenshot of this. We will move to our next question. Now our next question is question number 6a. What is the minimum interior angle possible for regular polygon? What is the minimum interior angle? In a regular polygon, we having equal angle and equal sides. Number of angle and number of sides will be equal. So minimum interior angle having minimum sides, we can draw a polygon with minimum number of sides is 3. Using two sides we cannot bound a figure. Using two sides we cannot bound a figure. Using three sides we can draw a closed diagram. Using three sides we can draw a polygon. So there are three number of sides. We can draw a polygon with minimum 3 sides. So this is a triangle having minimum interior angle. Let assume the value of interior angle is x. Sum of all interior angle of triangle is 180 degree. So there are interior angle of x, there are three angles, so 3x. Sum of angles are 3x. Sum of angles in triangle is 180, so x is equal to 180 upon 3 is equal to 60 degree. So 60 degree is the minimum interior angle of regular polygon. Now in B part, what is the maximum exterior angle? If interior angle is 60, then exterior angle is 120. If I draw a square, this is over 90, so this is also a 90, so 120 is largest in a triangle. What is the maximum exterior angle? 120 degree is the maximum exterior angle of regular polygon using linear pair angle property. Now let's take beginning from this question. What is the minimum interior angle possible for a regular polygon? Minimum interior angle means minimum number of sides. The minimum number of sides are 3 to draw a regular polygon. We cannot draw a polygon with 2 sides. We can draw a regular polygon with minimum number of sides is 3. So this is a triangle. We can draw a polygon with minimum 3 sides. So this is a triangle having minimum interior angle. Let's assume the interior angle is x. There are 3 angles, so these are the 3x. Sum of all interior angle is 180, so x is 60. So 60 degree is a minimum interior angle for a regular polygon. What is the maximum? When interior is minimum, then exterior is maximum. If interior is minimum, then exterior is maximum. So in a triangle we have minimum interior angle, so 120 is the maximum interior angle of a regular polygon means triangle. In triangle we have exterior angle of 120 which is maximum using linear pair angle property. You can take a screenshot of this. In our next video we will take another exercise.